Dear students, today we are going to start a very new chapter which is physical quantity and measurement. I have written 01 here because this is our first class of physical quantity and measurement. Okay. In this chapter, we will see the introduction of the topic. Okay, the chapter. So, first of all, let us see the introduction. First of all, let us see this picture. Okay, is this familiar? Is this familiar to all of you? Definitely yes, you have seen these types of boards manywhere, everywhere. Whenever you go to some place via national highway, these types of boards are there, or even in our town also there are these types of boards. They tell us there is a list of some places, and in front of those places a distance is written. That distance is measured, and from that point where that board is kept to the place where the of which the name is written. Okay, from where you are to that place, whatever the distance is, that is measured, that is recorded, and then beautifully decorated as these boards. Okay, so the point is that what are those kilometers and the units. Like here it is written na, Kashipur 263 kilometers. What is exactly 263 kilometers? To understand this, we will read this chapter. So very first thing comes in mind is physical quantity. What is a physical quantity? A quantity that can be measured is called physical quantity. Now, what is a quantity? Quantity means amount. Anything, any amount which can be measured is a physical quantity. Okay. Okay. Like what we can measure? We can measure temperature. We can measure distance. We can measure height. We can measure weight. We can measure, length, breadth, and uh, several more things. Many things we can measure. Okay, a lot of things. So if we can, anything which we can measure is a physical quantity, then there should be a definition of measurement also. What is measurement? Measurement is the comparison of an unknown physical quantity with a known fixed physical quantity as the of the same kind. A comparison of an unknown quantity with a known physical quantity of the same type. Like here it is written Kashipur is 263 kilometers. That means someone someday had measured this distance. How would he have or she had measured it? He or she had taken a known physical quantity. Okay, let's say a tape of 1 kilometer length, and put it from that place several times to reach Kashipur. And how many times they put it? 263 times. And then they came to the conclusion that yeah, this place is 263 kilometers from here. Okay, exactly this is not the case how these things are done, but just I am giving you an example. So what they did, they compared the distance from that point to Kashipur, that unknown distance, with a known physical quantity. That they compared that unknown physical quantity with a known physical quantity, that was a known length of rope, or you know tape, which was 1 kilometer long. Okay, so this is measurement. We compare. How we measure a potato, 1 kg potato? How will you measure? We will take some unknown weight of potato, and we will compare it with a known physical quantity, which is a weight of 1 kg. That is the process of measurement. Okay, every measurement consists of two parts. Here this little bit misspelling mistake, printing mistake, or typing error is here. Here measurement is wrong. Here it will be physical quantity. Okay. Okay, so every physical quantity of two parts. The first, every part physical quantity consists of two parts. The first part is its numerical value or the number, and the second part is the unit of measurement. So here in this example which we took, that from this place, this point of place to Kashipur is 263 kilometers. That means 263 is the numerical value, and unit is 63. Sorry, kilometers. The unit is kilometers. Anytime, whenever you will give a physical quantity, this is must that you give these two things: a numerical value and a unit of measurement. If you will or we will miss any of it, then our um, quantity is wrong, our answer is wrong. Let's say I will say you that my home is 5 from the school. Okay, then can you imagine how long or what is the distance between my home and the school? Come again. It is 5. 5 what? 5 meters? 500 meters? 5 kilometers? 5 miles? 5 yards? What is it? 5. So it is compulsory. Even if I'll say my house is kilometers away from the school, then how many kilometers? That is why we must give a numerical value and a physical a unit of measurement to make sense. Okay. Okay, here are a few more examples. 5 kilometers, here 5 is the numerical value and kilometer is the unit of measurement. 12 meter, 12 is the numerical value, meter is the unit of measurement. 25 centimeter squares, 25 is the numerical value and centimeter is the unit of measurement. 55 kilometers per hour, 55 is the unique numerical value and kilometer per hour is unit of measurement, etc. Now let's see a brief history of measurement. Okay, when these things were not discovered, the kilometers, meters, and inch, centimeters, these things were not in use. These things which you can see on your screen were used. Okay, we were measuring things by our body, the different dimensions of body, as you can see in these pictures: arm length, full arm length, palm breadth, okay, hand, inch, these things. But the problem was that everyone have different dimensions to their body. Someone is tall, someone is thick, someone is thin, someone is short. Okay, we all are different, so the distances were also different. This system was not very reliable. Okay, it was, let's say, I suppose I have to buy your land, and I will ask one of my very tall friend and bring him to measure the land, then I'll get more. And if I have to sell my land, then I'll ask my another friend who is short in height, and then I'll, sell less land and take more money. So thus the thing is that it was not practical, it was not good enough to be used in nowadays. So we changed it and we used SI unit. What is SI unit? Metric system of measurement is used to decide one standard unit to measure a particular physical quantity. A system was brought into existence. That system was called metric system. It is used to measure uh, of measurement is used to decide one standard unit to measure a particular physical quantity. Okay, let's say all these examples which you can see here are units of length itself. Okay, distance, all these examples only distance. But which one should be used globally? So this one though is fully removed, but we nowadays also we have inch, we have foot, we have yard, we have mile, we have kilometers, meters, centimeter, millimeter, micrometer, many types of meters. Not types of meter, many types of units of measurement. So we need one to uh, let's say someone tells that I have 20 billion inches of land. My village is 20 trillion centimeters from here. Can you make it out how far his home is? 20 million centimeters or 3 trillion, 5 trillion millimeters? It will be very tough. So we need a one standard unit. Okay, and it is accepted worldwide and is more commonly known as international system or the SI system. Okay, international system of units or the SI system. This is SI unit, one unit for all physical quantities which will be accepted worldwide. Okay, okay. Here are SI units of a few physical quantity. Let's see a glimpse of what are SI units. Length, we take meter. I am very sure by this time you must have heard this, that the SI unit of meter, not even if you have not heard, then right now we are discussing it. The SI unit of length is meter. Okay, whenever this question is asked, you must have to write meter. because the SI unit is meter of length. Volume, it's cubic meter. And for time, it's second. It's not minute, it's not hour, it's second. The SI unit of time is second. Okay. Okay. For practice, we can use other units also. Like we cannot say that I have slept 3 crore seconds, 5,42,000 seconds. No, no, we talk in hours. So we can talk in hours. We can discuss matters with different physical quantities. But these are the SI units which will be accepted worldwide. Okay. So this is it. This is for this video enough. The introduction is over. In our next video we will see, discuss more about length. Okay, thank you very much.